Sean is feeling a lot more comfortable about working with data in Excel, but he's still feeling quite nervous about performing calculations, and for a lot of people, that is where the real concerns lie. So we're going to start right from the beginning by breaking down simple calculations called formulas. Imagine that we run a small gym. We have 20 male members, 10 female members, but we want to know our total membership. So we need to add those two values together. Step 1. Click on the cell where you want the answer to go. Step 2, type equals. If you always follow those two rules, you're halfway there. Okay, next step, I could do what I do on a calculator and type 20 plus 10 and press enter, and there you go, I have the right answer. However, that is not very quick. I'm quite likely to make an error, and more importantly, if either of these values change, I'm going to have the wrong answer. So we're going to do it the Excel way instead. Type equals, click on the first value you want to add, type your plus, click on the second value you want to add, and now click enter. We get the same answer, but if my female membership should suddenly go up to 15, my total automatically recalculates. And that is part of the power of Excel. Okay, I'm going to undo that last change. Let's just quickly make sure we're happy with that formula. So it's equals B3 plus B4. In other words, add up whatever's in B3 to whatever's in B4 and give me the answer. Let's now have a look at a subtraction. So I'd like to find out the difference between my male and female membership. Again, click on the cell, type equals. Click on B3, type a minus, which is just a dash, click on B4 and click enter. So we've seen to do an addition, we use our plus. To do a subtraction, we use our minus. Now to do a multiply, we use an asterisk. And to do a divide, we use our forward slash. Let's have a quick look at an example of each of these. So imagine that we need to make sure we have at least 3 towels per member. I'm going to need to multiply my membership by 3. So I'm going to start with my equals, click on my members, type my asterisk, which is Shift 8, click on my 3 and click enter. And divide is very much the same. So if we need to make sure that for every 5 members we have at least 1 instructor, we're going to need to divide our membership by 5. So I'm going to type equals, click on my total members, type my forward slash, click on my 5 and click enter. And you can see, nice and straightforward. So that is how you work with basic formulas in Excel. Now let's help Sean apply these to a real world problem.